Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This started with nothing but the scraps, driftwood I found outside, leftover plaster and a vision for something earthy and abstract. Today I'm turning all of that into designer wall art for almost nothing. If you love rustic, coastal or organic vibe, this one's for you. So without further ado, let's get into it. I started by mixing some easy filler powder with water into a simple paste, nothing fancy. My goal was to create movement and depth, so I applied a generous coat straight onto the canvas, smoothing it out with the scraper. Don't worry about making it perfect. The imperfections are what adds the lovely depth and character. To build even more texture, I use a stainless steel scara to create some organic patterns. Next, I applied a coat of matte white paint, and of course, my little supporter is right next to me, probably thinking, "Mom, what are you up to now?" For the second layer, I'm using a mix of warm earthy tones, white, taupe, muted, greige, and raw amber. I started by dabbing on the lighter shades with a damp cloth, then layered the others on top. That's how you get this beautiful worn and age effect. It's all about layering. While the paint is drying, I want to take you somewhere with me. It's rare for me to film behind the scene, but I thought it would be lovely to show you where I get some of my materials. And of course, one of my supporters are always with me. This is a local allotment, a small plot of land the council rents out so you can grow your own veggies. It is a very affordable and such a peaceful place. I came here to collect some driftwood, weathered, rustic, full of character. That's what we need. I give each piece a good scrub with a firm brush to remove the dirt, nothing else. I want to keep that raw texture. noticed one of the pieces was missing that beautiful whitewash undertone, so I'm going to recreate it myself to match it the others. Then I played around with the layout until I felt just right and balanced. Lately I've been a bit obsessed with abstract paintings, so I've sketched out a few designs options to see which would complement the texture best. Yeah, with a big question mark, which one? Personally, I'm more gravitating towards those two bottom ones. The one on the left has soft, more organic flow, curved lines, and varied shapes. The right one is more defined with a smooth line and strong structure, but quite dominant and could potentially compete with or overwhelm the rustic charm of my background. I'm so confused which one to pick. And what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'm so curious. I think there is one saying, if you aren't sure, sleep on it, right? If I'm wrong, correct me, please. So, it is the next day and I've made my decision. I went with the left one. I'm lightly sketching out some guidelines to help place everything. I've already drawn the design in pencil. You might not see it clearly on the camera, but I'm going over it now with a dark brown pencil for definition. And here it is, the final piece, all made from recycled and natural materials. It didn't cost me a thing, just time, love, and little creativity. If you enjoy transforming forgotten materials into earthy, cozy decor, don't forget to subscribe. There is so much more coming your way.